With the emergence of the Internet of Things, industries are undergoing profound change. This is particularly visible in manufacturing environments where ongoing digital transformation and the adoption of 5G has led to growing interconnection of IT and OT systems. Although this convergence may offer many business advantages, it also generates new security challenges. You might have tight security on endpoints on the IT network, but on the OT side, industrial equipment and machines could still be running legacy or proprietary operating systems, where additional security may seem impossible to deploy. Perimeter defenses alone are not a viable solution to defend against the multiple new attack vectors being introduced every day. There is no silver bullet in security. What you need are interconnected security layers that give you complete visibility and control of your entire environment. In this video, we will demonstrate scenarios of possible attacks and the Trend Micro solutions that help you prevent, detect, and respond to them. Our first scenario begins with a spear phishing attack in the corporate network. The phishing email might contain malicious files or links leading to malicious websites. Once the victim opens the attached file or visits the URL, the malware is installed silently in the background. It then establishes a command and control channel back to the attacker. The malware begins stealthily to spread. It moves laterally through the compromised network, harvesting corporate credentials. Eventually, this reconnaissance discovers a vulnerability that allows the attacker to move through the industrial DMZ into the OT network. The second scenario takes place in the OT network itself and doesn't require an internet connection. All it takes is for a device compromised elsewhere to enter the shop floor. For example, a USB stick or laptop brought in for maintenance by a contractor. Both of these devices connect to the OT network or directly to a production machine. As most IoT devices do not currently run security software, the malware can quickly move laterally through the OT network, gaining admin privileges on critical systems such as manufacturing execution systems and human-machine interfaces. One way or another, the attacker now has full access to the OT network. From here, they may exfiltrate valuable data or disrupt operations. The attacker can manipulate systems to cause equipment failure or damage, for example, by manipulating values in the MES, and as a result, changing the logic of the PLC. The attack could also end up as a ransomware scenario, with your digital assets encrypted and your devices unresponsive until you pay. Maintaining a secure infrastructure, both on the IT and OT side, is quite a challenge. The attack surface expands, and internal activity continues after the initial intrusion. Being aware that a breach will happen is only half of the solution. The other half is the ability to break the chain of attack at every stage. To ensure the safety of your IT and OT infrastructure and keep it operational, you need a layered and connected defense. You need prevention, detection, and resilience. The first step is prevention, which reduces the possibility of a successful intrusion via data exchange points and external connections. Cloud One is a security services platform that manages and secures all of your physical, virtual, and multi-cloud environments. Apex One is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for holistic endpoint security. The phishing email we showed earlier would have been picked up and connections to a suspicious URL blocked. Any interconnection between the enterprise and operational infrastructure should be segmented with firewalls and a DMZ. The addition of tipping point next-generation IPS, placed between the IT network and the OT network, further protects the OT network from attack. The second step is detection, monitoring both the IT and OT networks. Sophisticated attacks may still make their way through, and that is why it is critical to discover and identify malware, malicious behavior, and covert communications. For example, multiple login failures or unauthorized remote access should be detected as soon as possible to prevent further compromise. Deep Discovery Inspector, a Trend Micro passive detection solution, monitors traffic to detect abnormal activity during the very early stages of a cyber attack. DDI connects to mirror ports on a network switch to monitor your network without impacting system availability. Finally, resilience. Protecting operations on the shop floor from any attack that has evaded the prevention and detection stages. The shop floor is ground zero, the last line of defense. Network segmentation and ongoing security health checks are critical. Trend Micro has a set of security tools specifically designed to protect this part of an OT network. Edge IPS is a transparent industrial-grade IPS that you place in front of mission-critical assets in harsh production environment. It enables virtual patching and network segmentation on the shop floor to minimize the attack surface and supports a wide range of industrial protocols for granular access control. Trend Micro Portable Security 3 is a USB-connected malware scanning tool designed for use on devices that don't allow the installation of software security solutions. All you need to do is plug it in and start scanning. It's easy to use, so you don't have to be a trained security professional to keep devices protected. Just observe the intuitive LED status light. These are just a few of Trend Micro's security solutions for smart factories, which also include professional services like incident response. Expand visibility of your environment and give your team the power to see more and respond faster to threats with Trend Micro Vision One, a purpose-built threat defense platform which offers you a complete attack-centric view of an entire chain of events with advanced analytics in a single console. Trend Micro Smart Factory Solutions, our industry-leading threat intelligence, and our OT expertise through TX1 networks enables you to keep your smart factory operations running with prevention, detection, and resilience.